flamethrower dog hair. Heck yeah. America. Now, the average person would just use a flame, blower. But that's boring. So I have two Siberian Huskies, and yesterday they got trimmed. I'll show you. Look at all this hair. Now, an average person would use a blower and, get it all in one spot. I'm going to use the flamethrower. What could go wrong? Well, let's find out. Alright, so this is the exothermic flamethrower. It costs about $600 online. You fill it up with diesel or gas or a mix. If you want a little bit longer burn time, you're going to go with a mix. They do make a backpack for it, but I'm not forking out $300 for that. Anyway, we turn the power on. See, there's got power. I know you can't see it, but there's power there. This is up. You gotta open up the nozzle in the front, so it's important. And let's see what happens. Woo! Look at that. There. Yeah. Makes cleaning dog hair a lot easier, but like I said, it doesn't last long depending on your mix.